Hey, cool. Thanks for coming around. Yeah, so I'm just doing this Victorinox wooden handle. This guy. I'm just going to show you guys here what I mean by lining it up. I kind of try and get the base to the tip on a 90-degree angle.
Hi guys.
That's my little
Yeah, good on you.
friend from the neighborhood. Yeah, so that's the idea of a 90-degree angle towards from the butt to the tip. If you sort of imagine the line there. Doing the 120 ceramic. To check the angle. Always check the angle. But we're still going for the 20, more or less. Between 19 and 20 works. Adjust that glare, I'm sorry about that. It's difficult. I've got one of those neck GoPro mounts, so it's not always easy to double check what it looks like. Okay, giving this a few passes. It's quite a hard steel. It's not super hard, it's only Victorinox. We've seen this blade before actually, so this was the one that had, it was a bone chopper. I repaired it. And the angle on this is quite strange, I think. Might have put it on a 17 before. It just needs a bit of work. The chef asked for it to be a little bit more longevity. I mean, I do see it every 2 months or so. So I don't know how much more longevity you can expect. These guys go, they'd work 8 to 16 hours a day a lot of times. The chefs do double shift. These knives see a lot of use. Not like a regular home use knife. You know, it cooks a couple of meals a week. This thing is day in, day out working. So I think 2 months. Okay, so the top completely up and everywhere. Just give it a few more.
Hello.
One of the benefits of working in the open garage. Neighbors walking past. Anyway, giving this guy the heel of it struggling. I'm just saying soft. These are fairly soft passes, but there's very little pressure that I'm applying. But yeah, so there we go. Changing up the belts. I'd appreciate you guys telling me what you think. Give me some comments in the comment section. Give it a like if you can. There's back to the 320 Trizact. You might notice that I'm not rolling the jig. I'm kind of going out on a limb there at the bottom where the bar meets the plastic jig handle. That's because I'm trying to maintain there's a sort of an imaginary line on there. I'm trying to stick to that line on the belt sander. like both. The rolling works, but it sometimes flattens out the nose quite significantly. Changes the angle a bit more than what I'm happy with. Okay, here we go to the 600 now. 6 to 800. Tell me your thoughts on this. Email, questions, comments. You like it, you hate it. Dislike Trizact, like Trizact, never work with Trizact. Let's see what we can discuss around here. So yeah, let's just doing that. So it was due to the previous repair, which I'll put a picture in. Yeah, just to let you guys see. Quite a bit of a burr on the nose there. Flicking that little feathery burr off. Going to the 1200. Slower. No, not that much slower really. Pick up a bit. Victorinox like them because they're not full pan. I was a bit disappointed the first time I saw them. They're expensive knives, they're not cheap. But I'm impressed actually because they are. The blade is so thin compared to the regular black handle, plastic black handle. This thing is so thin it goes through. I mean, it is a slicer. Very deadly knife. Don't mess with it.
Go.
Yeah.
Go play.
And,
Go play.
I'm putting a wool felt belt on there. Getting rid of that. I suppose every now and then you feel like trying something different. Often use the canvas belt. Let's use this little the hanging canvas. Get rid of the. This one I want to try and see if I can give this chef a little bit more time. We have to try different techniques and see what happens and what works, what doesn't work. There we go. It's all going like the old canvas. So used to it. Get rid of any other little that feathery metal shavings. Just be careful of those though. They can pierce you and you have this funny weird feeling of something's in your skin but you can't see it. I had to take a piece out the other day with the microscope, my little digital microscope, just to because I couldn't see it. But it was there. A few strops, maybe a bit too many, I don't know. Sometimes you get lost in your thoughts. Strop with the white compound. And let's give it a little buff on the old buffing wheel. And let's get some paper. The old Christmas catalog from Boots that is oh. Too many pages there. Oh, that cuts like butter. Very nice. Oh. Lovely. Okay.